You need something to blow some air out of there? I see that shit. Hold on. Let me see this one. I see that shit down there. Yep, I see it. Yep, yep. Come on, bro. That gasket ain't gonna last.
How much was the gas?
$4.
Cheap ass.
All right, y'all. We just putting the gasket on. Got the coil wired up. I just got to bolt it down. And then we're going to bolt down this carb and then we're going to try to fire it after that. Let me see it. Let me see it. All right, y'all, we got that fuel filter off, the one that was leaking. See it right there. Tightening down this coil. Then we're gonna get that intake gasket on there and put the rest of these bolts in. We're gonna try to fire it. I got new studs for it and a gasket. Just tighten it down, tighten it back down from the top.
I want to get you a car from over there. It's that motherfucker too much for this.
What is it?
Huh?
What is it, like a 750?
It's 1100.
That's way too much.
Yeah. You don't even have the intake for it.
Yeah, that's way too much. A 750 or 850 would be cool.
Yeah, but they don't really. That's really the main one they had.
They ain't had no Holly? No little Holly double pumper or a fucking street demon?
It's an 1100 with it's like a it's got a built-in fuel gauge and shit too. Fuel pressure gauge. Hard lines. We just specing the intake.
I wanna just get an Edelbrock RPM Performer and throw it on here.
They want like 1,000?
600?
About 1,000.
For what?
It'll be in 700. 700 plus with shipping.
Oh, you talking about the intake?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we can do other little shit, like we can get a distributor, a new water pump.
But let's just
do a cam. A cam kit is important too, though.
Yeah, yeah, but what's the fuck is the point of the cam kit if it can't breathe?
Yeah, very true. That's what I was thinking. I'm like, why would we put a cam on it? It's gonna need headers. It's gonna need.
It can only do so much with what it's got.
Right.
You got the keys to this?
To what? Nah, it's in the car. It's in the house. All right, y'all. We just bolting down this carburetor. Bolting down this coil. Then we're gonna put these new studs on it, And then we're gonna throw this intake on there and we're gonna try to fire it. And then I'm gonna throw this vacuum line back on and connect the throttle cable and the linkage, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I got the intake gasket all on there. I'm gonna just add these new studs on it to snug it all down. Put some new bolts in there and just snug the carb all down and put the new fuel filter on.